Hi, I just want to tell you a little bit about our DMR plug and play package, okay? DMR is growing every day, and there's a lot of people out there that want to get on DMR, but they just don't quite know how. They don't have the experience, they don't have the knowledge, they don't know how to make a code plug or really program a more complicated radio, but they still want to get on DMR. All their friends are getting on it, and everybody in the club is, but they still want it, okay? So we've come up with the solution, okay? We call it the DMR plug and play package. Now, what is this package, okay? So basically, what we're gonna give you, this is our Anytone ATD 868UV dual band DMR handheld. It is the best and probably the easiest DMR radio you're gonna find. Now, this is our new product, okay? This is the DV Mega fully assembled Raspberry Pi hotspot. And what this hotspot allows you to do, if you don't know what one is basically using your DMR radio or digital radio, you can connect to this, and via the internet you can come out on any repeater that's linked up to this network. So you can basically, from anywhere, you can talk through this anywhere in the world. It's fantastic. The cool thing about this package, right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna program it, both of them up for you. We're gonna program your radio and your DV Mega. We're gonna give you 10 of the most popular national and worldwide talk groups. Plus, we're also gonna give you your popular state talk group and your popular region talk group for the US. So if you want to get on DMR but you don't want to hassle, this is the package for you. Now, what is this going to cost you? All right, this is a $178.99 for this radio. This dual band DV Mega is $279, and our programming service is normally going to be $75. Okay, but right now during the giveaway, we're taking $25 off. Okay, so for just $50, you're going to save yourself hours and hours of study, hassle, and frustration. Okay, we are going to send you these two items, plus of course you're going to get battery eliminator and Nagoya NA701. Literally all you have to do when you receive the box, you take this, you put the battery on the radio, okay, you plug the DV Mega in, you press the PTT, and you're on the air, you're talking. No hassle, no setup, no code plugs, ready to go, okay? Just $508 and you're there, all right? So if you want to get on DMR and you want to get on the air hassle-free, this is the package for you. So go buy this as soon as you can and we'll get it right out to you and you're going to be on the air. Thanks guys, 7-3.